Your body is an intelligent healing machine. It just needs the right fuel. And when it comes to the fastest natural healing foods on Earth, the ocean wins. Seafood is packed with omega-3 fatty acids, clean protein, zinc, iodine, and powerful anti-inflammatory compounds that repair cells, reduce damage, and speed up recovery faster than most foods on land. Salmon is nature's healing powerhouse. Its omega-3 fats reduce inflammation, heal muscles, repair skin, and support heart and brain recovery. That's why athletes and doctors both trust it. Oysters are a hidden miracle. Loaded with zinc, they supercharge immunity, speed wound healing, and restore hormonal balance. One serving can activate your body's repair systems instantly. Sardines are small but unstoppable. Rich in vitamin D, calcium, and omega-3s, they heal bones, joints, and nerves while protecting your heart. Shrimp delivers rapid cellular repair. Its selenium and iodine boost thyroid function, helping your body regenerate faster and fight oxidative stress. And finally, mackerel, one of the most anti-inflammatory foods on Earth. It repairs blood vessels, strengthens immunity, and accelerates healing at the cellular level. If you want faster recovery, if you want stronger immunity, if you want your body to heal the way it was designed to, put the ocean on your plate.